Easy Learn English Kitchen Words: sesame, cardamom, saffron, black pepper, poppy seed, cumin seed, coriander seed, cinnamon, clove, vinegar, mustard, pickle, honey, licorice, pickle, honey, licorice, castor seed, pearl millet, caraway, sesame oil, castor oil, ghee, meat, beef, mutton, sugar candy, kidney bean, beaten buddy, great millet, buddy, wheat, cereals, spices, pulses, flour, grain, semolina, white mustard, cruel, groundnut, curd, feast, whey, bee, Beechion bee, cluster bean, ginger, garlic, chili, sago, aniseed, dry ginger, tamarind, mushroom, ragi, maize, black gram, green gram, black-eyed peas, chickpeas, groundnut balls, sesame balls, turmeric, fenugreek, vermicelli, asafoetida, butter, groundnut candy, puffed rice, sauce, broth, rice. Thank you guys. Subscribe.